Bashila Tony. I was born in northern Uganda during the war, and during the war we were being displaced from the village to the IDP camps, and from the IDP camp we could not sleep there because the rebel could still follow us up to the IDP camp. Like if they find you with your parents, they kill your parents in front of you, so that when they take you and they train you there, you don't even think of coming home. So during the war, I used to walk to move long distance from the IDP camp to one of the missionary hospitals in northern Uganda. And in 2003, I met the founder of Invisible Children, and they made the documentary, which you have watched it, and they did not, I'm so glad that they did not forget about me. In 2005, they went back and they put me in one of the best schools in northern Uganda. And they did not only put me in school, but they are also helping me at home. They are helping me. They have not only provided me with those things, they have also provided me with a mentor who is guiding me in achieving achieving my goals. And I'm so glad that I came with him. And I'm so glad as I talk now, because last year I graduated from high school. And I'm so glad that I'll be doing information and technology at my college. So right now, I want to thank you guys for coming again. Allow me to invite my mentor, Richard Mark. Thank you for coming again.